Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Threads. So once you open that, you simply need to click on profile icon in the right bottom corner, and then you simply need to click on edit profile. And here you can see your name and username. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see that the both are linked with Instagram and can change from there. So you simply need to go back and open your Instagram application, click on profile picture in the right bottom corner and click on edit profile, and from here you can change your username. So once you change here, that name will automatically be changed on the Threads app. So this is a process by which you can change username on Threads app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.